Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey, I just wanted to let you guys know while I am anxiously awaiting my Stitch Fix, which I think is coming today, I figured I would show you guys some items that I have used that maybe I would buy again, maybe I would not buy again, and give you kind of my experience with that. Also, this came in. This is from Shany, and you can find this on Amazon. They have a $50 or $49 box, and you don't know what you're getting. It's makeup tools, things like that. So it's a big surprise, so I'm going to show you what it is we got in that. I haven't actually went through all of it. I did open one item. Actually, I should probably make sure. I don't know if I have a... Hold on. I'm going to get a knife to cut some of this open. Hold on. Got it. Okay, so, but first, let me show you some of the items and go over sort of my my finds. Let me see if I move you guys down a little. Oh, I hope that stays. I feel like that's not going to stay. Okay, we'll see. Some of the things that I would buy and some of the things that I would not buy again. First of all, this shirt. Isn't this the most adorable shirt? It's got this beautiful brushed velvet, and it's long enough where, and I have my favorite jeans from Stitch Fix. These were my 1822 jeans. The only thing is the pockets keep coming out, but these were like my $48 jeans, which I love. So this little shirt, I just want to give a big shout out to Contempo Boutique, and you can find let's see if I can get this guy to focus here. I don't know what the problem is. There we go. Okay, so Contempo Boutique is spelled C-O-N-N. It's two N's. C-O-N-N-T-E-M-P-O Boutique. They have some neat items. You'll find some Umgi and some She and Sky, some of the name brands you're used to from Stitch Fix. This item, I don't know who the maker of this was, but this was their deal of the week, maybe a week ago, and it was only 15 bucks. And I just have to say that this company is amazing. Every week they usually have a deal for like $15 or $20 to do some things on clearance. Their website's just so-so. It's not the easiest website to navigate on your phone. However, when I got my package, she sent me, it was wrapped up so cute. And this is the second time I've ordered. I got this shirt and I got another shirt. And she had a little handwritten card to me saying, thank you for your order. It was so nice to see your name pop up again on the order list. And she had it tied, like, take your time out for yourself with some little tea bags, which were so cute. So just like the personalized service of ordering from a small boutique like that, I really love. And I think this is my favorite item. It is so warm and soft and cozy. And I love the little, you know, kind of boyfriend tee, crushed velvet, or what's it called, boyfriend tee? I don't know, but I love this. So I just wanted to give you guys a shout out. I'll see if I can post a link to their website. I really don't know how to post links yet. I need to figure that out. I don't know if it's just a copy and paste. So if you guys can help me out there, I can start posting links to some of these different boutiques and stuff. And you guys will remember I got these earrings from my trunk club, and they've got mother of pearl shells, and they were in gold, and they were expensive. They were Kendra Scott earrings. They were $55. I love them. I have worn them so much, which is exciting. So I'm really happy that I got those. That was a good purchase. So I want to talk about, first of all, about hair oil. Being over 40, my hair got really, really dry. And then, of course, you know, the bleaching, it catches up. And you guys might have heard me say on a past on a past YouTube video that I did, that I just recently was able to put blonde back into my hair because my hair had been so damaged, actually to a bad stylist, and we've been working on healing it. So I faithfully use oil in my hair. So the first one that I bought is Hydrate and Defrizz Kukui Oil, Anti-Frizz Hydrating Oil from the Kukui Nut. It's a Hawaiian secret. This is by OGX. I'll hold that up so you guys can see. And of course it doesn't want to focus. There we go. and there's just a little bit left. Obviously I've used this, but I will say this is not my favorite. I probably would not buy again unless I was out of the one I'm about to show you. So this was just, I got like at a CVS or Rite Aid, and I don't even remember, it was probably $6, $7, $8 or something. It's okay. It smells really good. It smells like coconut, so it's got a nice kind of tropical smell to it, but it is a little heavy, and I have thick hair. I'm using it to hydrate my hair, but I'm trying to go a couple days in between washing so that I can let the hair get healthier. And when I use this, it's a little too heavy for my hair. So I want to show you this, and I apologize in advance. I do not know how to say this name, but it's Gliss Hair Repair Oil, Nutritive Weightless Oil. It has 8 beauty oils in it. No residue, non-greasy for fine to normal hair, frizz fighting, and weightless nourishment. But it's Schwarzkopf is the name. You can see that. Okay. This is empty. As you can see, there's not anything left. I'm actually going to get more today. This stuff is cheap and amazing. They also have a hair mask conditioner, which I also love. So I was in Walgreens one day and I found this, and it was really inexpensive. It was a new product, and always looking for oils. I wish I could show you what this does to my hair, but I don't have any more. But you can spray this in your hair. It's not heavy or sticky. It's such a fine oil. It does exactly, it gives my hair definition, separates the strands. It helps moisturize my hair, and it was very, very inexpensive. So again, this is called Gliss Hair Repair. I would buy this again. This is something that is a regular staple. You can find it at any, might have it at Target, I'm not sure, but it's definitely at any like, you know, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, anything like there. All right, so that is that. Recently you saw me unbox my Target beauty box, and in that we got a sample of Dove exfoliating body polish in crushed macadamia and rice milk. I used this today. It was a big enough sample for your entire body. It smelled great. I typically do enjoy the Dove products. This was very gritty, like sand. And you know, sometimes when you use like a exfoliator or a body polish, you scrub it and the grit eventually sort of just melts away and becomes a soft, like a soft scrub. This does not. This is a pure body polish. So I definitely left my skin feeling soft. It was definitely exfoliated, but it was gritty, and it did not melt. That grit stayed on you until you washed it off. Not my favorite, but you could definitely smell sort of that macadamia nut. I'll put that closer so you can see. Yeah. You could definitely smell the macadamia nut in it, so it was a pleasant smell. I'm not 100% convinced I would buy this because I have other scrubs that I enjoy better, other sugar scrubs with oils and stuff that I felt nourished my skin more, but definitely this is good for exfoliating your skin. All right, this also came in the Target, the Pillow Plump. There we go. All right, so this definitely tingles for a long period of time. It's a little sticky. It just has like just a pink tint to it. Otherwise, it's fairly, you know, it's kind of clear with a little baby pink tint. This is their XXL Sexy Mother Pucker Pillow Plump Gloss by Soap and Glory. I possibly would buy this again. I am not convinced it actually plumped my lips, but it did something because my lips would be tingly. I think I've only really used it one day. I think I need to use it more to figure out if I will use this again. If anybody has tried this from your Target beauty box or whatever, interested in hearing your thoughts and opinions on this. The jury's still out on this one. Okay, one thing I will not buy again is this Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. I did not like this. Put this up here so you can see. I did not like this at all. The color is weird. It really is. Let me show you. It really is the exact same color of the bottle. And it's a brown that leans more towards an orangey tint. It is extremely difficult to get off. It's one of those ones that stays on for hours and hours. I don't even know. It's called Fighter. It's number 75, called Fighter. This does do its job and stay on. So for instance, if you're drinking a coffee, the lipstick I have on now, you know, it leaves the coffee on your cup. This would not do that. So if that's what you're looking for, it is great. I potentially would look at this in another color, but certainly this color is not a good color. Now, usually a brown lipstick will make your teeth look brighter. This one just doesn't do any favors, at least for me. So this is not one I would purchase again. I also got a couple samples of the like eye stuff here because, you know, I've been trying to help with like the little bags and stuff. Especially I always get a lot on this eye right here, and you can see it. I think it's because I sleep on this side, so, you know, the fluid's all drained to this eye. So I'm trying to find something. I didn't have anything to put on today, so this is what it is today. However, I tried two things. I tried Algenist with alguronic acid. Okay, so I tried that. And then I tried Prescription Youth Skin Labs Instant Erase Eye Serum. Let's see if that's coming up where you can read it. Yeah. Okay, so this this one I want to check the price because this one came with a $25 off coupon, which means pricey. If 25 was off was a coupon, this has got to be an expensive one. This is the one that, of course, that worked better. They both did tighten the eye a little bit. I would say that the Prescription Youth did much better job of tightening that skin underneath. So if I were to buy them again, I would buy this one. However, I don't know prices on these. I think Sephora carries this one. So those are two samples. I'm going to look into this one because that is the one that seemed to work better. Okay. Then we got the number 7 Airbrush Away Primer. It is hypoallergenic in number 7 from one of the Target Beauty boxes. I like this. So this, guys, is a cream primer. I don't know if you can see this. Let me squeeze it a little bit. Oh, yeah. So it's a cream primer that rubs into your skin. It is very, it feels great. I have used the clear, like gel type of primers. This is more of a cream. I think I prefer the cream. So this number 7 is a great primer. I am enjoying it so far. We will see as we go through the day how the makeup holds up on my face, and I'll give you an update on that. But right now off the bat, just from first impressions of using it, yes, I would buy this again. All right, another one of these samples that I got, and my kitty's gonna come say hi, is the Nexxus New York Salon Care Humectress Ultimate Moisture Intensely Hydrating Mask for Normal to Dry Hair with a Protein Complex. And thank you, baby. Thank you. All right, and this I used on my hair today. She's a movie star, you know. Let me pick her up. Move her. She's always in every video, aren't you, sweet pea? So I used this today, and protein, I think, when you get older is exactly what your hair is lacking. After you wash your hair, all right, after you wash your hair, you put this in for like 3 to 5 minutes, and my hair did feel very, very moisturized. I think it looks good today too, so that's always really... I don't know why she wants a lot of loving today. I think she likes when I'm talking. She loves when you sing. She loves singing. She gets in your mouth and pushes up against you. She loves especially the high notes. It's so funny. One day I'll have to do my karaoke video thing. We have like little karaoke mics, my daughter and I, and they are wireless for your phone, and you can sing karaoke through your phone. She goes funny. She goes crazy with it. She's getting kitty hair all over my face though. All right. Ugh, okay. Stay. I wish cats listened. They don't. Kitty butt right in your face. All right. You need to get down, sweetheart. Maybe she'll learn here. I don't know how many times she's going to jump up. But anyway, this Nexus hair mask I would use again. Seriously, is this a game? I know all my friends love you. Say hi to all the YouTube friends out there. Say hi. She's so pretty. She's fat and pretty. All right. So that's, seriously, I think she thinks this is a game now. All right, stop. So that hair mask I would buy. Next, I want to talk about lips. Here she comes again. She's such a stinker. Oh my goodness. You know what? She might want to get in that box. Here, you want to get in the box? Here, you can get in the box while we're waiting to go through it. Okay? Just sitting there. All right. So, want to talk with you guys about some lipsticks. So, these I got at, what is this from? These are from the Balm Cosmetics, and they're 6 mini long-lasting liquid lipsticks, and they're matte shade. It says Meet Matte Hues. I got this in backwards, so let me take these out and show you. Well, here's the back. Here's that. Those are the size and the colors. I have one of them on today, but I put a gloss over it. One of them is in my purse, but here's the different color choices that you get with this. These are fantastic. They dry pretty good, and they're quick drying, and they show you on the bottom all the different little lip colors. Let me see if I can get that to focus. And there's a kitty. Sorry about her, guys. She's insistent. So these are great. I really, really, really like these. I would buy these again. These I just got actually from Kohl's. They feel great on the lips, very lightweight. The colors are very saturated and rich. And I really, really enjoy using those when I want a matte lipstick. These I want to tell you need to go out and get these next ones. This is by ColourPop. It's their Feeling Fine Ultra Glossy Lip Collection. Pull this up so you can see what the packaging looks like. It's kind of got a kind of a peach and then a rose gold. It's very beautiful. And ColourPop is one of the lesser expensive brands. So these are an affordable brand lip gloss. And I thought these were just going to be just a clear gloss for days you didn't want matte. You're getting kitty hair all over me, sweetheart. Can you stop? They came in 3 colors. This one I got Lazy Z, Fairy Me, and Obviously. Those are the 3 colors. See, that'll come in. I don't know if that's doing its thing for you there. But these guys, these are no ordinary glosses. So first of all, very chic. Let me show you they have the gold tops on them. They are loaded and rich with color. So let me just put this one over my lipstick. So sometimes, and this is actually what I put over it before. Oh, she's got hair all over me. But let me show you. These give you quite a bit of sparkle, and it's a saturated gloss. So it's definitely not just a simple little gloss. It's got a lot of pop to it. I'm gonna have to put her in different rooms when I start videoing. I got a little mess on my mouth. Probably because I was wiping my mouth because she got hair on me. So these are fantastic. I highly recommend them. They're very, very pigmented. They are gorgeous. They are truly gorgeous. Again, these are by ColourPop, and it's the Feeling Fine collection. I believe I got this online at Sephora through the Sephora app. I don't know what to do with the cat. She's just not gonna move. No, she's trying to eat butter. Hold on. All right, so let's get into the Shany box. All right. All right, guys, the first thing let me see if I can pop this up a little. Okay. First thing that I'm going to show you is this. This is the one thing that came in that I opened. And like I said, with Shany, you don't know what you're going to get. So you get a mystery box for $49. You can get this through Amazon. And this I'll try to post a link to as well. I just got to figure out how to do the links. I know this is getting long, kind of a long video. We are actually going to do, my daughter and I, a video with just using what we got in Shany, and we're going to let her do my makeup. Look at those colors, those eyeshadows. So they have it separated with kind of your shimmers and your mattes on the different sides. And then you have blush, more different darker palettes, and you have a mascara and your blush brush and your eyeshadow thing. So these are fun. Oops. So we'll get that in a minute. There's just a brush. So that's the first thing. That's the one thing that we actually opened that came in. Let's see the next thing here. This is, can you take her, Kenzie? Because she's getting in every video. She's driving me nuts. All right, so this is the next thing that I'm seeing. It's an Urban Gal brush kit right here. So let's open this up. Let's see. So I thought this is a pretty good deal for $49. The thing is, though, you don't know what you're getting. So that's the part that could be a little bit, a little scary, but I think that's the part that was fun for me. All right, so right off the bat, it's more, this is the case for the brushes, and, you know, it's soft. And it says Shany Cosmetics on it. It's got a red stripe. Oh, look how fun. All different types of brushes. So we'll have to try that. What do you do with this one?
Highlight.
Oh, a highlighter? I don't know. Okay. And there's a couple different ones in here. So yeah, these are nice. So this is an awesome gift for this box. So there's that. All right, next thing I'm seeing is this Warm Wishes 12-piece lipstick set. Look at all this. So right off the bat, all these sort of look the same. They're all in the same color. It's a set, but I'm sure that they are different colors. So we can open it. And like I said, my daughter is going to do my makeup, and I might do hers just using the products that came in the surprise bundle from Shany. So here's what this looks like. Let's look at a couple of these colors. All right, so this is a beautiful, rich red. Very pretty. Next, let's see what we got. This is, I don't know if you can see that, but that is like a rosé or rose color, deep red. This doesn't look like it's focusing. There we go. So I wonder if it's all shades of red. I wonder if this was like one of their, oh, this one I won't wear. That's like an orange red. That's usually just not a good color for me. It's another one with the same kind of tone. It's different color, but it's still in that orange family. Here's one that's probably one I will wear. It's a little bit of a darker red. It's pulling, it's actually much more red than it's pulling on the video. I'm going to show you 6 of them. We'll go through them in more detail. Oops, at another video. I just want to get through this and show you. And here's a pretty, they all look, I feel like they're all showing the same, but they are different. Here's a color swatch of that one. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's so far from what I'm seeing, it's all different shades of red. Will you put that back in there for me? All right, so then what else do we have? What is this? This is another brush holder, I think, to organize your vanity. which I could use some help organizing. This is cute. Makeup brush holder. Look how cute this is, guys. And it's got this in here so you can separate them into the different compartments. That's adorable. Cute. So we got brushes, a brush holder, a lipstick set, eyeshadow and blush palette, and a whole set of hair ties, 2 things of them. And it looks like it's a container with a top and a bottom. You can actually store them inside the container here. So it's cute. There's still more. All That She Wants, 12-piece lip gloss set. These are like little baby lip glosses in all different colors. Sorry, there's a glare on that, I know. Those will be fun. Those are great purse size and travel size items. Iris lip oil and Bonjour lip oil. I'm guessing this is for at night to moisturize your lips. I don't really know. I've never used lip oil. If anybody has used that, let me know. There's 2 more eyeshadow palettes, green and brown. Oh, they're wrapped up. We'll get into these. Something else here. This is a lot, I think. I feel for $49 they gave us a lot of stuff. Come on, come out. Okay. Shany eyeshadow. This is pretty. Oh, there's 2 of them. All right, so one is a smoky silver, and one is almost like, I feel like that's almost like the highlight one. Those are cute. I like those. Both of those colors will probably get used. I'll let you put that back in. There's something big down here. Gosh, look at this, guys. Eye lookbook. Let's open this. This is a ton for 49 bucks if you're trying to play with some makeup. Now, granted, I don't know if the makeup's any good. We'll try it out and we'll give you our honest review and stuff. So there's that again. Let's see what we got here. This is neat. Oh my gosh. So look, it kind of looks like an iPad. It says Eye Lookbook by Shany and it has a couple of brushes. So I can get it out of here. Maybe. I'm going to take the little, so it does have 3 of the little eye applicators and 2 brushes it comes with. And on here, if for reorder purposes, it has a piece of plastic. You guys can see that. And it has the numbers like I-19, I-34. There you go. So if you want to reorder the specific palette. Look, guys. How much fun is this going to be? I mean, some of those colors are kind of insane. Like, I don't know that I ever wear those. Oh, yeah. My daughter said we should do an 80s makeup look. We can totally do that. So there we go. So that's what we got for $49 from Shany, ordered through Amazon. So definitely be sure and check that out, guys. And if you get a box, and Shany's not sponsoring me, I bought this with my own money. There's no discount code. $49 is the discount for it. You just would probably get an assortment of different items that might be different than what I got. So let me know what you got. So that's it, guys. Have a great day. While you, I'm gonna run some errands. Be back hopefully later or tomorrow with my Stitch Fix. I'm patiently awaiting it. See if my stylist Brandy is back. And yeah, so have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Oh, and hit the subscribe button. Bye.